You will need cups, glue, scissors and pencils. First, cut a cup like this. Now draw 2 bunny ears. Cut it out. Draw 2 bunny feet like this. Cut the bunny feet out. Now draw eyes. Draw some whiskers for the bunny. Now cut it out. Now glue all this on to the paper cup. Now let's make a chick decoration. First, glue yellow-colored paper onto the paper cup. Now take a piece of orange paper and fold it. Draw a triangle shape on it. Cut it out. Glue the beak onto the paper cup. Now make 2 wings like this. Glue them onto the cup. Now draw 2 feet for the chick. Cut it out. Glue them onto the cup. Draw eyes for chick. Now glue them onto the cup. See you again next time. Happy Easter!